Jeez, I didn't know I had fans. Absolutely, Marcio Rujo. There you are, Hilda. Hey, Frob and Jasper, and Bagi. I'm glad you guys are safe as well. Guys, I can see Clyde over there. Clyde, are you okay?
You may have remembered me as Clyde, but who I actually am is... It is me, CatNap.
Wait a second, if you're CatNap, then why did you allow me to revive all the smiling critters?
I wanted you and Marcia Rujo's help, Hilda, to revive the smiling critters. In order for me to become a god, I have to revive the smiling critters by another god. Now that I succeed in doing that, I have full power, and I'm ready to betray Monsieur Rujo and kill all of you and the other smiling critters. Again! Oh, that hurt. What the hell's your problem?
That's why you should never double-cross Monsieur Rujo. Guys, I think this area is about to blow up. Well, I'm glad we got out there in one piece. By the way, what happened to the other smiling critters? They're all good. They're all at Marcia Rujo's house. That stupid dolphin. I'll get him someday.